the international vertical lift bridge. It was built in 1960. It was used by the Wisconsin Central Railroad, and it's raised for ship traffic. And then you see here, it's a counterweight and the framework of a double leaf Strauss Hill Train Vascular Bridge. It's located in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, between Ontario. And you got a two-wing counterweight on both ends of the lift span. And it got ropes and sheaves, pulleys, and everything, right? So, and it's about to lower. Let me show you when it lowers. The bridge is now lowered, and this bridge it was in the raised position, and then it tilted, and like it was about the lesbian was about to fall off the two towers though, but they had repaired it, and this bridge is back in service now. This train passes through this bridge all the time, and see, look at that. And so, you know, also through this vascular span right there, with the you see the part of the framework and the counterweight and the lower vascular span. It's a double lift right there. So now, this bridge again was built in 1960, and it's located between Michigan and Ontario in Sault Ste. Marie.